I'm here in Croto parking lot in Petersville, and I'm gonna finish putting my chains on the front tires. I got this one already laid out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive the truck forward onto the chain and then show you from there how I go about putting chains on. And I know chains aren't really supposed to go on the front all that often. You should always put them on the back, but I don't have any weight in the bed of my pickup truck, so I'm gonna put them on the front where all the weight is of the truck. Now that I'm pulled up on the chain, I'm gonna throw the front up over the tire. Now I'm gonna pull forward a little bit. Ah, shucks. I got these going on backwards. I gotta start over. What it is these loops right here, you want the points on the outside, and I had mine on the inside. Okay, I got the tire on the little bit of the chain. Now I'll throw this up on. And now I'll back up a little bit farther. So the inside just has a hook on it. I think you can see that. Just has a hook, and the outside has this latch. So I'm gonna hook the inside in. And on the front tires, I don't leave any chain hanging out, just because you got your shock right here and other things that the chain could catch on. So as a safety factor, I just hook it on the last one. And then I hook this side in and it's a little loose. Now I go for a little ride, move the tire around nice and slow, and let the chains kind of settle into where they want to be. So I'm gonna go pull forward and backwards a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna try to tighten these up a little bit. I'm pretty sure I won't be able to get it in the next one, but I'm gonna try. Oh, I got it. I'll get it. Yep. Okay. So I got this in there. Now I'm gonna go for a little ride, just make sure everything's settled in, and come back. Okay, they seem to be settled in. So now the last step is to put your bungee on and make sure the hooks are facing out. And that's all there is to it. I'm gonna go over and check the other side, and then let's go and test this out going across the swamps over to my cabin. When I have chains on the front, I don't like going over about 25, maybe 30 miles an hour at the fastest. There's too many things chains could get caught on if they would happen to break in the front, so I like to go nice and slow. And I don't have the radio on either, so I can hear if something starts clanging or if anything happens. I'm back here in Croto parking lot, so I made it out across the swamp safely. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tire chains. This is actually the easy part. First, you just take off these bungees. And then you undo the piece here. And then make sure you undo the piece in the back, and then you basically just pull it off the tire, and then drive it forward a little bit, and then you can throw them in the bed of your truck. And that's all there is to it.